Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of Euro Dollar. Today we don't have any news, so the market will be mostly dominated by the technicals. So as you can clearly see that Euro USD is right now standing at 1.0776 and we have a bullish flag on the chart. Bullish flag or bull flag or flag pattern is a trend continuation pattern, which means that after a sudden move, market goes for consolidation and after some time market continues the trend again. So we have a similar structure on the chart of Euro USD. So there is a good possibility that we will get to see further upside on the chart. But the problem with the market right now is that when I discuss on the video of gold, that during the Asian session, okay, we don't have much volume or volatility in the market right now. So especially during the Asian session, if market tries to go up, then there is a high chance that market will give us a false breakout, because for any breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. So you can draw a flag like this and mark the levels, mark the highs and lows, and just wait for the market to break the flag here. The space inside the flag is considered as the no trading zone. So you should be avoiding any position as long as market is trading inside the flag. So especially during the US session or European session, if we see that market has crossed the flag and market going up and market trading above 1.0790, 1.0788, you can consider that okay, finally market has gained some momentum and you can look for a buy position. But again, I'm repeating, during the Asian session it is a little bit risky because we do not have much volume in the market right now. And if market breaks the flag here, what will be the target? The target will be the next resistance here. The next resistance is around 1.0820 to 1.0810. The box that I have drawn here is the next target, or you can also consider that to be the next resistance, 1.0810, 1.0820. This is the next resistance or on the chart of Euro USD. If market hits the level during the US session, then you can expect some selling pressure. If market reverses from this particular level, we can also take a sell position. This is our resistance, also the target if market breaks the flag here. But as of now, we need to focus on this particular portion of the market only, because this is a flag pattern. If market breaks the flag, we can look for buy position. But on the other hand, if market breaks the line at the bottom, this line here, then obviously the pattern will be invalid. The flag pattern will be no longer valid. In that case, you should be looking for buy at retracement. If market starts falling, if you want to take a sell position, that is a little bit riskier. Than your decision, I will not comment on that. But the next buy opportunity on the chart of Euro USD will be around 1.0739, 1.0725. These are the two levels where you can expect Euro USD to take support if the flag pattern fails. Why we are considering these levels? Let me show you. We are mostly using Fibonacci here. You can see here that around 1.0739 we have Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, and it is also the previous resistance. So if we combine both the factors here, then 1.0739, 1.0740, this particular area looks to be a good support. And then we also have Fibonacci 50% retracement around 1.0726. Okay, so these are the two Fibonacci retracement level, but here the resistance will also be working as support here. These are the two support levels. If you're wondering why I'm not talking about this level here, then if you want, then you can consider 1.0758 as well. Okay, you can also consider this level as well, because this is also the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. I'm not talking about this level because see, I'm recording this video in the Asian session. Market may show some volatility during the European session, US session. In that case, the level of 23.6 may not work because 0.236 is the weakest level. Okay, so if you want to trade, that's your personal choice. But if the volatility of the market remains like this, means the market is coming down, but there's not much volume, not much volatile. In that case, you can expect 1.0758 to work as a support. Okay, but if you see that market is going down with a big red candle, then it means that market has volume, selling pressure is high. In that case, 1.0758 may not have the potential strength to work as the support for the market. So though we have 5 levels on Fibonacci, but all the levels have different strengths. 0.236 is the weakest. So let me wrap it up again. Let me wrap it up. Okay, so first of all, we have a bullish flag on the chart of Euro USD, and right now we can see that market is inside the flag, means market is under consolidation. As we all know that bull flag is a trend continuation pattern. So during the European session, US session, if market breaks the flag 1.0788, 1.0790 level, then we can look for a buy position with proper risk management. We should avoid buy position during the Asian session because right now we can clearly see that there is not much volume in the market. So as a result of which, there is a risk of a false breakout. So if whenever market goes for a breakout, okay, observe the volume, observe the size of the candle, so that we can understand whether the market is volume or not. For any breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. So we can look for a buy if market breaks the flag. Then we have the next resistance or target at 1.0820, 1.0810. During the day, okay, if market reverses from this particular level here, we can also look for some sell around this area. On the other hand, if market starts falling during the Asian session, European session, market breaks the flag towards the downside, means market breaks the flag like this, then obviously the flag pattern will be will no longer be valid. So in that case, you should be looking for buy and retracement. Your levels are 1.0739 and 1.0726. 1.0739 is the FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and also the previous resistance, which will also be acting as a new support. Then we have FIBO 0.5, which is 1.0726. These are the two reliable retracement level during the European session, US session. If market takes support around this area, if you see that market is showing price rejection from below, you will get a confirmation that buyers are present and you can look for a buy. But if market is coming down but there is not much volume, volatility, and market is slow, in that case you can also expect 1.0760, 1.0758 to work as support as well. But this is a weak level, so that's why we are not much confident in this. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD. Hope you got my point. I can be wrong as well. I'm also a trader like you, so follow proper risk management. Do not gamble. Bye bye, take care.